These are places where you can go to enjoy with your kids or loved ones during this festive holiday season.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man on a mission.
Number 1, glittering lights at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway. Drive through a dazzling display of millions of holiday lights, perfect for the whole family. Number 2, Ethel Chocolate Factory. Explore a breathtaking garden adorned with cacti decked out in holiday lights, plus enjoy delicious chocolate treats. Number 3, the magical forest at Opportunity Village. Experience the enchantment of a winter wonderland with rides, games, and forests filled with twinkling lights. Number 4, Bellagio Gardens. Admire the stunning holiday-themed botanical displays featuring colorful flowers, whimsical characters, and festive decor. Number 5, the ice rink at the Cosmopolitan. Skate under the stars of the rooftop ice rink and sip hot chocolate with panoramic views of the strip. Number 6, maze at the Resorts World. Step into Winter Wonderland at Resorts World Las Vegas, where your family can navigate a festive maze adorned with dazzling holiday lights, providing a magical Christmas experience for kids and adults alike. To all the families out there, stay safe, have fun, and Merry Christmas.